The purpose of this tutorial is to help you decide what units to write at the end of your calculation. If you want to follow the actual calculations used, you'll need to pause during the video. Now pay attention. A diagonal line, sometimes called a slash, is just another way of writing the divided by symbol. We use the word per when we're referring to this diagonal line. If you've divided in your calculation, then your units will have one of these in the middle. If you multiply two things, then you don't need to put a symbol into your units at the ends. And that's because the multiplied by sign looks like an X, which of course is a letter. Remember, the units describe what you did. If you divided the number of cabbages by the number of desks, the units would be cabbages per desk. In this speed calculation, we divided distance by time. Distance is in meters. You've divided, so write the slash or per symbol, and the time was in seconds. The final units are meters per second. That means the average number of meters travelled each second. In this density calculation, we divided mass, which was in grams, by volume in cubic centimeters. The final units then are grams per cubic centimeter. That means the average number of grams in each cubic centimeter. In this pressure calculation, we divided force in newtons by the area in square centimeters. The number of newtons was divided by the number of square centimeters, so the units are newtons per square centimeter. In the moments calculation, you've multiplied the force by the distance. The force was in newtons. You don't write the multiplication sign because it looks like a letter, and the distance was in centimeters. The units therefore are Newton centimeters. And if you've done any algebra, you'll spot that A times B is written as AB. It's the same rationale. I'm going to put a few examples up for you to pause and work through at the end. If you want to be subjected to any more of this sort of thing, you can find more videos at the Science Buzz channel on YouTube.
Created using Powtoon.